Hello, in this video I want to show you how to exchange your items for Chaos Orbs in Path of Exile. And right here I'll be showing you 3 different methods for getting different amount of Chaos Orbs by trading rare items to the traders. And first one and most basic one is to just go to your trader, click on sell, and you will need to get entire set of items. So that is a sash, weapon, in this case there's two-handed weapon, so it counts as both, but if you have like one-handed weapon you will need to get 2 of them, or weapon and a shield. Then boots, armor, the gloves, 2 rings, amulet and helmet. This gives us 1 orb, and all of the items to do that you will need to be from level 60 to level 74. Next trading option for 2 Chaos Orbs is to get all unidentified items, because they are unidentified, but to get 2 Chaos Orbs they would need to be unidentified. To get 3 orbs you will need to get the all unidentified, and they need to be at a quality of 20%, and then you'll get 3 orbs. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.